In this video, you're going to be learning how to set up a Meta business portfolio. Okay, I welcome you to this video, and before we move into setting up a Meta business portfolio, I would love you to understand two concepts. The first one is an asset and a business portfolio, because if you understand these two things, it will be easier for us to navigate everything that we'll be navigating while we are learning how to set up the portfolio. All right, the first thing we need to understand is what an asset is. All right, so if you know, previously Facebook, as we popularly know it back then, it was changed to Meta, right? Now the Meta Technologies, that's the name of the business at the moment. Meta Technologies comprise of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So all these four platforms are under Meta Technologies. Okay, so if you have any account with any of these platforms, okay, you have an asset. Okay, except for Facebook. Okay, if you have an Instagram account is seen as an asset. A Facebook page is seen as an asset. A WhatsApp account or a WhatsApp business account is seen as an asset. An ad account, that's basically where you run adverts, is seen as an asset. All right, so all of these things joined together, they are assets. Okay, so and a Meta business portfolio, on the other hand, is more like a coverage for all your assets. If you want to manage all of these assets in one place, then you need to have a Meta business portfolio. Okay, so the idea is simple. If you have been into investing, or you've read a little bit about the financial world, you understand that when they talk about portfolio, they are talking about a spreadsheet, or a page that shows all the different assets they have. For example, someone who is into business now, or someone who understands finance, will say that, okay, I have assets, I bought what's it called, I bought shares in this business, I bought shares in that business, and they are all bringing in this particular amount of money, right? So if they are creating a portfolio, they are going to write that the revenue they are getting from each of those business as part of their asset. Okay, they are going to write their gold, the gold they have at home. They are also going to write down the properties they've acquired under their assets. Sorry. Now, that is the idea they are also bringing to Meta at the moment. Okay, so a portfolio is more like a coverage for all your assets, where you can actually manage them in one place. Okay, and that is the beautiful thing about this Meta business portfolio. Instead of shuffling through Instagram, through Facebook, through ad account, through your product catalog and all the likes, all of them have been integrated into one place, and that one place is the business portfolio. All right, so now before you can access your business portfolio, there are two things you need to have. The first thing is a Facebook account. Okay, you need to have a Facebook account, and if you don't have a Facebook account, I advise you to create one. So if you have a Facebook account already, then you are good to go. Now the second thing you need to have is access to Meta Business Suite. Okay, Meta Business Suite is a tool. Okay, it's more like the normal Facebook app you have, but it's an entirely different application. Okay, through your Meta Business Suite, you can access your business portfolio. All right, now I'm going to do a walkthrough of that right now. So the first thing you need to do is to open your page. Now I created this Facebook account. Okay, I created it to show a sample of how you can create your business portfolio. Now you cannot create a business portfolio from your Facebook account. I'm actually on my Facebook account now, so I need you to know that what you actually need to do is to open your Chrome browser, open another tab, a fresh tab, and on your search button, type Meta Business Suite. So once you type Meta Business Suite, as you can see, you would see the first option, Meta Business Suite. Just click on it, and it's going to bring you to this page, right? So if you previously log into your Facebook using your browser, whether Chrome or Firefox, your account is already automatically there. But if you haven't logged in using your browser, you have to still log into your normal account. Okay, so once you log into your normal account, you can come here to click on get started. Okay, now remember, before you can actually access your Meta Business Suite, you need to have an asset. Okay, it's as and like I said earlier, an asset can either be a Facebook page, an Instagram account, or a Facebook ad account. Okay, so I advise you, first of all, go back to your Facebook account to create a page. To really access this business assets, you need to have a page that you are managing with your Facebook account. Okay, so if you don't have a page, you can ask someone who have a page to add you as an admin on their page. That's if you are managing the page on their behalf. Okay, so but anyhow, make sure that your account is linked to a page. Okay, so if you've done that, just come here and click on get started. Now, because I already have a page linked to my account, I already have that. I don't have to I'm not I can easily access my Meta Business Suite. Now you can see that this is another platform entirely. Okay, it's still under Meta. Okay, it's still under Facebook and all of that, but it's a different interface. You have so much tools that you can actually use through this Meta Business Suite. All right, so it is in this Meta Business Suite that you are going to create your business portfolio. How do you do that? Just come right straight to this place, click on the drop down menu, and simply move your mouse to create a business portfolio. All right, so once you click on create a business portfolio, you are going to put in the name of the business portfolio. You are going to put in your first name and your surname. Now, this first name and surname should be the name that you use on your normal Facebook account. Okay, you want to make sure that it is the same first name and surname you are using for your Facebook account that you use here. All right, now the last thing you will put is your business email address. Okay, so you can put in an email address you use for your business, or any email address that you can easily access. So once you have that, you can just click on create. So I'm going to do a sample right now. So let's say test is the name of my business portfolio. My first name is Bethel. Okay, Bethel. Now the business address I want to use, let's say I want to use is gmail.com. all right, so once you have put in all the information, your business portfolio name should be the name of your business. Okay, don't write test, please write the name of your business. Now once you've done all of this, simply click on create, and once you do that, just wait a few seconds for it to load, and great, so you have it. Now if you have created this business portfolio, the assets you already have, they would ask if you want to link these assets to this portfolio. Like this Facebook page, for example, they're asking if I want to link it to this. I don't want to do that because I'm basically creating this for as an example. But if you are creating this business portfolio for your assets, meaning for your Facebook page that you've been using for your business, just tick this button. If you have more than one page, you can tick each and every one of them, but for this video I'm not going to tick this button, so I'm going to leave it empty. But for you have to tick it. So once you do that, you can click on next. All right, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to click on next because I really do not want to create this business portfolio. The only reason I did this to this extent is because I want to show you how you can do it yourself. So I'm going to click on cancel, and let's see if I refresh. If I don't see it, then I'll be really happy because I don't want to see it. Oh, I have it here, right? So I have this Meta Business, I have my business portfolio, I have it here, and I have this other one also that I also created some time ago. So this is your business portfolio. Now there's an important thing that you should know. In case you want to give someone access, maybe an agency, a marketing agency, for example now I work at IGM Media, marketing media, and one of the things we do is to run ads for businesses. Okay, so before we can access a client's business, we need this business portfolio ID. And for you to easily get it, to send it to the agency you are working with, you can simply come to business portfolio information. Let's say you are in the home tab here. How do you locate your business information? How do you locate your ID so that you can give access to the business, to the agency, I mean? So it's simple. Just first of all, click on settings. So once you click on settings, you have this option. Just locate business portfolio information. Now this is it here. So once you click on business portfolio information, you are going to have this ID, business portfolio ID. Okay, so just copy it, and all you have to do is to simply send it to the agency. All right, so that is that for this video. I hope you got value from this. Thank you.